So this is how we're going to start my vlog, I guess. It's not a vlog, but it can be. Basically, I'm starting a new channel. I'm going to put up content as much as I can. And it's an experiment, I guess. I have my channel through Uncutt Studio. It's under Andrew Lashbell. It's where I'm putting up stuff that is YouTube related, as well as stuff from my production company that I've started. I am 45 years old. I've got so much going on with kids and work, full-time job, work shift work, so it's not easy, but it can be done. And a big reason I'm putting this together is to show people that, and show that if you really put in the effort and put in the time, you can make things happen. Now, this channel is more of an experiment. I want to see basically uploading videos, no editing and no fancy nothing. This is on my phone. I have a case on it. I've got a bendy tripod like a Joby that I threw it on, and that's it. I do have ND filters that I'll use. I'll explain all that in different videos and explain to people what you need other than your phone to help. Basically, a tripod and ND filter is all you really need. You could get a hold of something like a gimbal or something if you want to go running or jogging or walking and that kind of stuff. It'll smooth out the film a little bit, the takes. But I want to see which channel grows more. So I thought I'm going to do this channel this way. No editing again, no color grading, nothing. It's strictly going to be using the sun. I might use lights in the house, try to use practical lighting. I'm not going to go and use my big lights or my video lights or anything like that on this channel. It is strictly going to be a simple, unedited, unfiltered, no scripts, no nothing, and see how it progresses and see how it goes. So that's basically what you're going to see on this channel. That's what's going to happen. Topics we're going to run on. We're going to be talking about filmmaking. We're going to be talking about being a dad. We're going to talk about burnout and working an actual shift job, and also starting a production company, as well as a second YouTube channel. We're going to talk about I'm a stepdad to Brady, little guy with autism, little guy. I think he's 15 now, 14, I believe. So not a little guy, but he's autistic, and it was a challenge to start with, but now I've got things figured out and we got things going. So we'll talk about that. We talk about my own kids. We're going to talk about just life in general, some of the struggles and things that we go through that are presented almost every day. If there's anything you want to hear about, leave in the comments. Obviously subscribe, like the videos. It helps with the algorithm and helps me keep going. Hit the bell. In the comments I'll leave things like I was talking about for equipment and things like that. There might be affiliate links in it, so I might make a couple bucks if you buy anything off of my links, but that's just going to help me keep the channels going and keep things moving. I don't expect to get rich doing this or anything, obviously. If that's what you want and you're older and you're thinking maybe I can start a YouTube channel and that'll be retirement, I mean, you could, but that's going to take chances are pretty slim. So as another source of income, possibly an income stream, which I'm hoping to turn this into, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, you know what, I'm going to leave it there for the first video. Just a quick explanation, letting you guys know what it's going to be. This is pretty much going to be it. It's going to be me talking. Different locations. I might be walking, I might be going to work. I'm trying to figure out a way to set up, because I do a 3.5 hour drive, well, there and back, so 7-hour drive every 2 weeks. So I'm trying to figure out a way to rig out my car to make it so that I'm completely hands-free and I don't have to worry about anything, so that I can be safe and vlog on the car as well, or in the car on the drive. Yeah, I'll be putting together some topics, go through different ones, maybe put some playlists together and set it up as kind of a series where there's certain ones and each one goes on to the next. And some of them are just going to be kind of all over the place. Might be just something for me to say that day. Get off my chest, maybe. Thinking this might be therapeutic too. But you guys let me know. As I said, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to talk about. Let me know what you want to hear about. Hell, if you want to contact me, you want to do something together, we'll do a live stream or something like that. Let's take a look. All right? You guys take it easy. You got this.